Okay, good morning class 8. This is your part 8 video from basics of quadrilateral and this is now review time. Review time and we start from the subjective question. Question number 2. Okay. So, in question number 2, if a parallelogram has one angle measuring 60 degree, find out measures of other angles. Okay, so there is a parallelogram. Angle given is 60 degree, only one angle is given, find the other angle. First of all, angle A equals to angle C, because we know that opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram we learn the features. Angle A equals to angle C, opposite angles are equal. Okay, now we know that sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree, so angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle is supplementary. So angle A is 60, angle B equals to 180. Therefore angle B equals to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. Okay. Angle B equals to angle D, opposite angles are equal. So angle B equals to angle D equals to 120 degree. Opposite angles are equal. That means what? We get all the angles. Angle B is 120, angle C is 60 and angle D is also 120 degree. Okay, note. Now question number 3, the opposite angles of the opposite angles of a parallelogram are given as 5x plus 3 and 4x plus 6. Find measure of all the angles. Okay, the opposite angles are given. This is your parallelogram. And opposite angles are given. Let 5x plus 3 and 4x plus 3, this one given. Okay, so we know that opposite angles are equal. So angle A equals to angle C, we write down opposite angles are equal. So angle A is 5x plus 3 equals to 4x plus 3. So 5x minus 4x equals to 3. Something is wrong, na? 4x plus 6 is given here. 4x plus 6. 4x plus 6. So here is 6 minus 3, that is x equals to 3. Okay. So angle A, 5x plus 3, that is 5 into 3 plus 3. So 15 plus 3 equals to 18 degree. Angle C equals to 4x plus 6, that is 4 into 3 plus 6. That is 4 3s are 12 plus 6 equals to 18 degree. Okay, that means angle A is 18 degree, angle C is also 18 degree, because we know that opposite angles are equal. Now angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree, write it down. Sum of adjacent angle is supplementary. So angle A is 18, angle B equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle B equals to 180 minus 18, that is 162 degree. If angle B is 162, angle D is also 162, because we know that opposite angles are equal. Okay, note. Question number 4. The angles of a quadrilateral are 2x plus 4, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 5 and 2 bracket 3x plus 2 respectively. Find value of x. Just only find the value of x. Okay. So angles of a quadrilateral. What are the angles? This is your quadrilateral. One was given 2x plus 4, another is 2x minus 1, another is 2x plus 5, and one is 2 bracket start 3x plus 2. When you multiply, open the bracket, that is 6x plus 4. We know that sum of all the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we write 2x plus 4 plus 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 5 plus 6x plus 4 equals to 360 degree. 2x 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 6 plus 6 12x plus 4 plus 4 8 8 5 13, 13 minus 1 is 12 equals to 360 degree. So 12x equals to 360 minus 12, 12x equals to 348, x equals to 348 by 12. 2s are 24, 9s are 108. So the value of x is 29. Okay. Note. Question number 5. The length of two sides of a parallelogram are 3x and 5x. The perimeter is 480 centimeter. Find value of x. Okay, find value of x. So the length of two sides of parallelogram is given. So length of two opposite sides is not mentioned. The length of two sides of a triangle are 3x. Okay, 3x and 5x. So we know that this is A, B, C, D. If this one is 3x, this one is 3x, because we know that opposite sides are equal. If this one is 5x, this one is also 5x. So AB equals to CD equals to 3x and BC equals to AD equals to 5x. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. And the perimeter is given 480 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 480 centimeter given. We know the formula of perimeter. Sum of all sides 480. Sum means, that means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equals to 480. Okay, sum of all sides. So AB is 3x, BC is 5x, CD is 3x and DA is 5x equals to 480. So that is 16x equals to 480. So x equals to 480 by 16, that is 3030. Okay, find the value of x. So x is 30 degree. Note. Question number 6. The four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 4:5:6:9. Find out the measures of the angles. Okay, so four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio. So let the four angles of a quadrilateral be 4x, 5x, 6x and 9x. Okay, so we know that sum of all the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Sum of all interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360. 4, 5, 9, 9 and 18, 18, 6, that is 24x equals to 360. So x equals to 360 by 24. 12 2s are 12, 30, that is x 15. Okay, so 4x is 4 into 15, that is 60 degree. 5x, 5 into 15 equals to 75 degree. 6x, 6 into 15, that is 90 degree. And 9x, 9 into 15, that is 135. Okay. Question number 7. Given ABCD is a parallelogram and we find the value of x, y and z. First of all, angle A equals to angle C because it is a parallelogram and we know that the features of the parallelogram what? The opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So A equals to C, reason is given, opposite angles are equal. Okay, so angle A is 50 and C is y. So 50 equals to y, that is y equals to 50 degree. Over. Okay, now we write down AB equals to DC, that is opposite sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal. 4z minus 15 by 7 equals to 3z. So 4z, this 3z comes this side, that is minus 3z equals to 15 by 7. So z equals to 15 by 7. Yes. Now time for x. You see that this is a triangle. In triangle DBC, there is 45, here is y and here is x. We know that sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So we write on 180 degree. 45 plus y, in place of y we write on 50 degree because we find out the value of y is 50 degree. So 45 plus 55, that is 95 plus x equals to 180 degree. Therefore x equals to 180 minus 95, that is 80 85. Okay, so x equals to 85, y equals to 50 and z equals to 15/7. Note.